Now it is as you were for FIDE master Shreyas Smith as he maintains the lead in the absolute section of the Jamaica Chess Federation National Championships after 9 rounds. The 6-time national champion remains perfect on 9 points, with FIDE master Raheem Glaves in second on 7.5 points, while FIDE master Jaden Shaw is third on 7 points. Meanwhile, on the women's side, in her bid for a second title, defending champion woman candidate master Kaia Gayle remains unbeaten on 8.5 points. Gayle is followed by woman FIDE master Danny Clark, who led up to the 7th round on 8 points, while former champion woman candidate master Gabriella Watson is third on 6 points. The championships, which consists of 11 rounds of competition across 10 days, will end on Sunday.
But chess is the fastest growing sport in Jamaica, and the fact that we have all of these top players come out is a true significance of that. As a matter of fact, in both the absolute and the female championships, we have not just adult players, but we have youngsters as well, as young as 12 years old, that is competing in it. So that shows you the growth of the sport in Jamaica right now.